Scene script. Have you ever pondered on the importance of networking in today's digital world? Let's dive into this fascinating topic. Our world is becoming increasingly digital. With every passing day, we are more reliant on the internet and digital technologies for a wide variety of tasks. Whether it's ordering food, booking a cab, or even attending a meeting from the comfort of our homes, the digital realm is interwoven into the fabric of our daily lives. And at the heart of this digital revolution lies networking. It's the invisible thread that connects our devices, systems, and even us, the users, creating a complex yet efficient web of interactions. But why is it so important? In the realm of information technology, networking is the lifeblood. It enables the flow of data and information, connecting servers, computers, and other hardware, ensuring they work in harmony. It's like the nervous system of an organization, transmitting signals and facilitating communication across various parts of the body corporate. Networking is not just limited to IT. It's equally crucial in the world of business. It's the key to new opportunities, partnerships, and collaborations. It helps businesses expand their reach, connect with potential clients, and stay ahead in this competitive world. Let's not forget the role of networking in our social relationships. It's what makes social media possible, allowing us to stay connected with friends and family, share our life moments, and even network professionally. It's a digital bridge that brings us closer, irrespective of the physical distances. So you see, networking is more than just a tech term. It's an integral part of our lives, silently working in the background, making our lives easier, more connected, and more efficient. It's the silent hero that ensures our emails reach their intended recipients, our calls connect us to our loved ones, our social media posts get the likes they deserve, and our businesses find the right opportunities. Networking, without a doubt, is the backbone of the digital world. So what exactly is networking? Well, let's break it down. Networking, in the simplest terms, is the practice of linking multiple computing devices together. These devices, which can range from computers and smartphones to printers and servers, are linked to enable the sharing of resources and information. Imagine a symphony orchestra. Each instrument, much like a device in a network, plays a unique role. Yet, when all the instruments come together, they create beautiful, harmonious music. Similarly, in networking, each device has a unique function. But together, they create a system that efficiently shares resources and information. Now, let's delve a little deeper into some of these devices. First up are routers. Think of routers as the conductors of our orchestra. They direct data, helping it find the best route from its source to its destination. Without routers, data would be lost, much like an orchestra without a conductor would be chaotic and directionless. Next, we have switches. These are like the sheet music for every instrument. They control how devices in a network share information. By directing specific pieces of data to where they need to go, switches ensure that the right information reaches the right device at the right time. Last, but certainly not least, are servers. Servers are the powerhouses of a network. They're like the main stage where the orchestra performs. Servers store, process, and manage data. They're the ones that do the heavy lifting, making sure the resources are available when and where they're needed. So if we put it all together, networking is quite like an orchestra. Each device plays its part under the guidance of routers and switches, with servers providing the resources. Together, they create a harmonious system that efficiently communicates and shares resources. In essence, networking is all about connecting and communicating. It's about creating a symphony of data exchange, where each device plays its part to perfection. And just like a well-conducted orchestra, a good network ensures that the right information reaches the right place at the right time. Now that we understand what networking is, it's time to delve into its different types. There are three main types of networking: LAN, WAN, and MAN. Each of these differs in terms of geographical coverage and usage, and each has its unique characteristics and uses. Let's start with LAN, or local area network. This type of network is commonly found in homes, offices, and schools. It's a network that connects devices in a relatively small area, like a building or a group of buildings. For example, your home Wi-Fi that connects your laptop, smartphone, and smart TV is a kind of LAN. It's like a small community of devices talking to each other, sharing resources and data. Moving on, we have WAN, or Wide Area Network. As the name suggests, this type of network covers a large geographical area. It can span cities, countries, or even continents. Imagine a company with branches in New York, London, and Tokyo. They all need to access the same data and resources. A WAN makes that possible. It's like a digital highway that links smaller networks together, no matter how far apart they are. Finally, there's MAN, or Metropolitan Area Network. This one sits somewhere in between a LAN and a WAN. It typically spans a city or a large campus. Universities often use MANs to connect their campuses and provide students and staff with access to resources. It's like a bigger version of LAN or a smaller version of WAN, depending on how you want to look at it. Understanding these types of networking is crucial because it helps determine the most suitable network for your needs. For instance, a small business might only need a LAN, while a multinational corporation would certainly require a WAN. And a citywide library system? That's where a MAN would come in handy. Whether it's LAN, WAN, or MAN, each type of networking serves a unique purpose. Ever wondered how devices on a network understand each other? The answer lies in networking protocols. Imagine this. You're in a bustling city where everyone is speaking a different language. It would be chaos, right? Now picture a city where everyone speaks the same language, follows the same rules, and knows exactly how to interact with each other. This is the role of networking protocols in the world of digital communication. Protocols are agreed upon sets of rules that determine how data is transmitted and received in a network. Think of them as the language of the devices. When devices speak the same language or follow the same protocol, they can understand each other and communicate effectively. Let's dive into some common protocols to get a better understanding. First up, we have HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's the protocol that's used when you're browsing the web. Every time you type a URL into your browser, HTTP is at work, fetching the page you requested and delivering it to your screen. Next, we have FTP, File Transfer Protocol. As the name suggests, FTP is all about transferring files from one location to another. It's the protocol that ensures your files get to the right place, intact and without any data loss. Last but not least, we have TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. This is the backbone of the internet. It's the set of rules that ensures data packets get from their source to their destination correctly and in order. So, when you're streaming your favorite show, sending an email or downloading a file, remember, it's all made possible by these protocols. Without them, the internet as we know it would be a cacophony of incompatible devices, unable to communicate or understand each other. In essence, if the network is the highway, protocols are the traffic rules ensuring a smooth and orderly flow of data traffic. They are the unseen heroes of our connected world, making seamless communication possible. Protocols are the rules of communication in networking. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned about networking. We've journeyed through its importance, its fundamentals, the different types, and the crucial role of protocols. We started off by understanding why networking is so important in our digital world. It's the backbone of our interconnected society, enabling devices to communicate and share information seamlessly. It's the reason you can video chat with a friend across the globe, or access a file on a server thousands of miles away. Next, we delved into the basics of networking. We learned that computers don't exactly talk to each other like we do. They use a system of addresses and data packets to send and receive information. We also discovered that networks can be wired or wireless, with each having its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Then, we looked at the different types of networking. We saw that there are personal area networks, local area networks, metropolitan area networks, and wide area networks, each with a specific purpose and geographical scope. From connecting devices in your home, to linking computers in a city, to bringing together networks across countries, these types of networks form the structure of our digital world. We also explored the role of protocols in networking. These are sets of rules that dictate how data is transmitted over a network. Protocols ensure that devices speak the same language, enabling smooth and efficient communication. Without protocols, the internet as we know it would simply not exist. In essence, networking is a complex yet fascinating field. It's a world where data packets journey through cables and airwaves, where addresses guide information to its destination, and where protocols ensure everything runs smoothly. It's the invisible web that connects our digital world. Remember, in this digital world, the power of networking is immense. It connects, communicates, and creates possibilities.